Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to review bold leads. Bold leads is a lead generation that can bring you leads to your real estate business. And I'm going to talk to you about if you should use it, what I recommend about this, and yada yada. So let's start. Bold leads, it's okay. But in my opinion, bold leads is not going to give you a real quality leads that you can use for signing up straight away the properties. What you need to think about is this. Let me explain. Bold leads, I think they are going to use a Facebook ad, they're going to target your, I know where you're from, the locality, and then they're going to give you the leads. Let's say they give you 300 leads per month, okay? 300 leads that you can use. I really believe that 98% of them are not going to be great. But what you're looking are those 2% that you can use and actually convert to your clients, to business. And this is what you need to do. You need to be hyper aggressive. You need to create a really effective process that you can use for finding those 2%. I had plenty of customers in my sales jobs in the past, and it was the most important thing. I had something like this, 200 people coming in like in a week, and then I had to find the best ones. And what you need to do is to create some kind of automated processes that's going to help you. Like, okay, you are going to start with the same message with everyone, with calling them, and you need to be really hyper aggressive and effective. You can't be on a phone with someone for like 2 hours. And you need to focus on finding those 2%, and then you will win. So from 100, let's say that you are going to convert 1 or 2 people, right? And that's what you're looking for. So it's not going to give you, like, plenty of people are thinking that when you're going to use bold leads or whatever lead gen, and it's going to give you straight away money. No, it's going to give you opportunity, and it's up to you to convert it to money. So focus on this, and this is what bold leads is about. It's not going to give you the hyper quality they are presenting, or people are saying that, oh my god, you got it CRM here, yes, automated follow-up email marketing. It's really great, proven landing pages that you can use, really great. Now you just add here the city, you claim your area, and you're good to go. And it's like really worth it, and they're going to calculate how much money it's going to cost you. So you're going to get a lead, you'll add it to CRM, then you funnel it through landing page that they can choose what they like, and you're good to go. So thank you very much. This was like the short review I prepared for you, because this is the most important thing that I showed you. What you need to keep in mind. You need to be hyper aggressive about the leads that you're gonna get to convert them and find those 2% that are valuable, because most of them won't be. And you're well off. So thank you very much, guys. Have a great day and goodbye. See you.